Ranch is a working organic farm and farm stand on the San Mateo County coast, south of Pescadero. While they do sell locally baked fruit pies at the farm stand, they are named for the triangular shape of their 14-acre farm property. Rach has a mission to inspire sustainable food production and food system education. They host local high school students to participate in educational activities around cooking, farming, and nutrition. The farm also helps to mentor new farmers through their apprenticeship program. They also host organized volunteer opportunities and social events, including a monthly barn dance. You can pick up a variety of seasonal produce and artisan food products and baked good at their farm stand. They will also give you a map and let you do a self-guided walking tour of the fields and grounds, including their heirloom black pigs and a group of resident goats. Ranch, 2080 Cabrillo Highway, Pescadero, Farm Stand, 560-879-0995, website. Farm stand hours, open 7 days a week, seasonal hours, call for more information.